All right, so DJI Mini 3 Pro. Did a lot of flying with it yesterday and today. I've only had it a couple days. Anyways, I did a firmware update today, and in the middle of the firmware update, the gimbal did something weird. I was like, wow, whatever. It's probably just a weird part of the update. But now it won't do anything other than this. So what works, does the check. And does that. I have no idea why. But yeah, so it does that, and then it also won't, there's no video being displayed on the controller if I turn it on and pair it. It's just a black screen. It says gimbal overload and IMU. There's an IMU error or something like that. So I have no idea, but yeah, it happened. It did that during the firmware update, and then it's done it ever since. So I'm not really sure what's going on.